Understanding automatic transmissions for teen drivers' education. When you drive an automatic car, you don't have to worry about shifting gears or using a clutch pedal like in a manual stick-shift car. The automatic transmission does all the gear changes for you so that you can focus more on the road. Think of the transmission as the part of the car that helps control how power from the engine reaches the wheels. It decides how hard the car needs to work at different speeds, like switching from walking to running to sprinting. The transmission changes gears to match the power required. P, R, N, D, L. These letters are on your gear selector. Here's what each one does. P, park, locks the car in place so it won't roll. R, reverse, lets you back up. The drive shaft and wheels will spin backward. Your car cannot be started in reverse gear. That would not be very safe. N, neutral. The engine runs, but no power goes to the wheels. When a car breaks down, you may see someone pushing the vehicle to the shoulder, with one person behind the wheel steering. A car in neutral will roll downhill or move on any slight elevation or uneven surface. When might we use neutral? A car wash may require placing the car in neutral. This is because the car gets pulled through the wash on a belt conveyor system. Another important use for neutral is in an emergency, such as stopping a car with a stuck accelerator pedal or brake failure. In that case, the safe bet is to move the gear to neutral to start coasting to a stop. In an emergency, turn on your hazards to warn other drivers. Use your parking brake when the car has slowed down. In an emergency, like the ones described, turning off the engine is not the safest solution, since it will cut the power to the steering. Low gear gives extra power when towing, going uphill, or driving down a steep hill slowly. Reading your owner's manual will help you understand all the gear functions of your car. You don't need to be a mechanic, but know this: automatic cars still need care. You don't need to fix anything yourself, but you should keep an eye on any warning lights. Get the transmission fluid checked during oil changes. Drive gently. Avoid hard stops and aggressive acceleration. Why this matters? Knowing how your car's transmission works, even just the basics, makes you a smarter, safer driver. You'll avoid common mistakes that wear out your car and cost money. Be sure to check out our playlists on automobile systems, car maintenance, and roadside emergencies.